Hola, eighth grade Spanish. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a new list of words that you're going to find attached in Quizlet. And these are going to be words of encouragement, okay? Or words that you might want to use when you post your response to your fellow classmates on that Padlet page, okay? So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to say the Spanish, and if you want to listen to this and repítalo, okay? If you remember, that means repeat it, okay? That's what you should be doing at home, okay? So the first one is muy bien, okay? And I know you've heard this before. So muy bien is what I'm going to use for very well or very good, okay? All right, so that was muy bien, okay? All right, the next one is excelente, okay? And that means excellent. You're going to find that a lot of these words look very similar from English as to Spanish. So there's not a lot of difference, but there are a few that are just totally different. Okay, so this one was excelente, and that means excellent. Okay, here we go. Fantástico. Okay, fantástico is fantastic. Super. Super, okay? In Spanish, I would say it's lo mismo. It's the same. Lo mismo, the same, okay? Super, okay? All right, the next one, bien hecho, okay? Okay, yes, well done. But it's probably something I would say to you on a job that you've done here in Spanish class, okay? So, bien hecho. And remember that H is a little bit silent, okay? So I don't want to say bien hecho, okay? That when that H is my first letter in Spanish, it's very silent or very slightly pronounced. So bien hecho, okay? All right, the next one is estupendo, which means stupendous, okay? That one's kind of hard because a lot of times I hear the word stupid in there, and that is not what it means, okay? But estupendo is used more commonly in Spanish than stupendous would be used in English, okay? So feel free to use estupendo when something is like really awesome, okay? All right, here's a new one. Genial, okay? That G has a H sound now, okay? Sometimes the G has a G sound, okay? Like the word grande, okay? Or gracias, okay? But sometimes in Spanish, the sound is going to change, okay? And so when I have a G and an E together, there's a couple other cases, but just know for now, when I see a G and an E, I'm going to say genial, okay? And genial means like genius, okay? Or brilliant, okay? So I would say, oh, genial, okay? All right, the next one, buena idea, okay? And you know that buena has something to do with good, and idea is the same word as idea, okay? Only I'm going to pronounce it the Spanish way. Idea, okay? So buena idea is good idea, okay? All right, here's a really odd one, and it's chevre, okay? Kind of like a Chevy truck, right? Okay, so chevre means terrific, okay? I don't know. Maybe you're a Chevy person, so you think those kinds of trucks are terrific. I would say that about Fords. Fords would be muy chévere, but anyway. Okay, so the word is chévere, okay? And our last one, buen trabajo, okay? Buen, again, means good, and trabajo is my word for job. Okay, it can also mean you did good work on that assignment. Buen trabajo. Okay, all right, so those are the 10 words that you are going to need to be comfortable with, and you're going to need to be able to respond to your classmates in Padlet. Okay, I will get to that more as the time comes, but please be practicing this new set of words. Adiós, hasta luego.